Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to split PDF pages with barcodes using PDF.co and Make. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We have here a sample PDF document, and we will split pages with barcodes. So let's begin. First, log into your Make account, and click the Create a New Scenario button. Next, search and select the Google Drive module. Then, choose the Download a File module to load a file from your drive. Let's set up the Google Drive configuration. For the Enter a File ID field, choose Select from the list to find all the available folders from your drive. For the Choose a Drive field, select My Drive. In the File ID field, enter the specific folder where your file resides. Once you're done setting up the configuration, we will now add another module. Search and select the PDF.co module. Next, choose the Make an API Call module. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. For the API Endpoint Path drop-down box, type v1/pdf/split2 for the endpoint path. For the Input Type drop-down box, select Upload Files and inject as URL param to automatically load a file from Google Drive. Then, type in your desired output file name. Now, let's add the body payload. In item 1, type search string for the key and barcode code for the value. For item 2, type exclude key pages for the key and set it to true the value. For item 3, type regex search for the key and set it to false the value. For item 4, type case sensitive for the key and set it to false the value. For item 5, type inline for the key and set it to true the value. For item 6, type async for the key and set it to false the value. After adding the body payload, we will now run the scenario. Our test was successful. Kindly copy the URLs, and paste them into your browser to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully split pages with barcodes from PDF document. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.